This is Chris from Total Bus, and today we have a 2020 Mazda CX-9 Sport, stock reference number 5525. The shape runs from the 7th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, right tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right card appears to have no damage. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre.